What's up everyone and welcome to Sketch Saturday. In today's video we're creating a sketch illustration of Snorlax from Pokemon. Now for this lesson I'm using a Stadler black 4B pencil. Now we're going to grip the pencil from the side using the flat edge. Let's sketch a large oval for the head. We start at the very top in the middle. Just going to work our way out along the left side. And then just lightly bring that in towards the middle. Go back up to the top and work our way around the right side, coming back down. Now let's add some guidelines across the head. Starting from the very top, we're going to sketch a line coming all the way down towards the bottom of our page. Bring that down to right about there. And extend that up towards the top. Now we're going to go across from left to right. Right across the middle. Now let's go to the center of the head and sketch a large circle for the body. We're going to start up here. Just going to work our way across towards the left. And bring that back in towards the middle. And then over on the right side. Let's flatten off the lower edge of the body, starting over on the left. Just going to bring this up a little bit higher in the middle, and then up on the right. Now let's block in the arms. We're going to start on the left side of the head. Just going to curve this out, and then down towards the side. And then we'll round out the hands, and then pull that in and up underneath the head. Now let's sketch two ovals for the bottom of the feet on either side. So just underneath the hand, we'll start up here, sketching that oval, coming in, and then back out. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, coming in, then around the outside. Let's move back up and add that trim around the face. From the center, we're going to step up, sketch a line going up and out toward the left and right side. And then from the left, we're just going to round this out, going out, down, and then in towards the bottom of the head. Let's go to the inside and draw in the eyes. Starting on the left, curve this down, and then bend that up. Line this up on the right. Now we're going to move down and draw another curve right in the middle for the mouth. Let's go all the way back up to the top and draw in the ears. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left side, curve this up, and then bend that out. Then from the tip, come down and then bend that in towards the side of the head. Now we're going to add that trim inside the body. Let's start from the top of the arm on the left. Just going to curve this out and then down on top of the feet. And then moving down towards the bottom, we're going to step up and add another curve. Coming down and then up. Once we're happy with the shape of the body, we're going to go in and lightly erase some of these guidelines. Now let's go in with the tip of our pencil and start tracing the contours along the inside of the head and the face. Let's start right in the middle. Then we'll add a small fang on either side, pointing up. We'll go back up to the top. We're just going to overlap the ears on top of the head. So just pulling that down a little bit further on the inside. And then tucking the top of the head in behind the ears. We're also going to leave a little gap along the bottom of the head. Now I'm going to overlap the inside two fingers on top of the hand, so creating a little socket. Just following that line in, then adding another socket, and just pulling that arm in. And then adding the claws in between the sockets. And we'll add a few more claws along the back side of the hand. Now I'm going to go back and add 3 sockets along the top edge of the feet. Starting with the inside. Leave a little gap, and draw 2 more. And just adding the claws in between. And then going back and just cleaning up our drawing with our eraser. I'm going back and just adding a small oval along the heel for the foot pad on either side. Just lightly sketching this out so we can make any adjustments we need at this stage. And then going back, just tracing that out. Now we want to give our character some shape and form, and to do that we're going to add a shadow along the bottom right side of our character. Let's start with the bottom edge of the arm. Using the flat edge, just going to lightly shade this in around the claws, along the inside of the arm, and then we'll just fade that out as we go up. Add some shadow just underneath the arm. Also adding a shadow just underneath the head, across the top of the body. And we'll just extend that shadow on the right side of the head. up along the side of the ear. And also along the bottom of the feet. And then we'll work our way across towards the right side. Also add a light tone across the outside edge of the body and the head. And as we get closer to the end of the drawing, I'm going to tighten up my shadows and clean up some lines. And that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Snorlax from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and check out our sketch playlist. We're adding new lessons every single week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.